In the last section, we saw how to check for 404 errors, for broken links, basically. Ideally, what you want to do is trawl through your website, and if you do find any broken links, go and fix them. However, especially if you've got a large website, there is another solution. You can use what are called 404 error redirects. So again, if you're using WordPress, there's lots of plugins you can use that will basically catch a 404 error and redirect it to a different page of your choice. So for instance, if you're being lazy, you can just simply have it so that it will redirect to the home page. Or better, what you might want to do is create a specific little page. You can call it whatever you want, but on that page you'd have a little message saying, oh, I'm terribly sorry, the page you were looking for either no longer exists or there's an error of some sort, but here's a list of pages that you might want to visit on our website. And instead of seeing an error, the visitor actually gets redirected automatically to a useful page. Again, I believe in the Google Webmaster Guidelines. I think Google does actually suggest that you use 404 error redirecting. So again, if you're using WordPress, what you could do is just simply go into the plugins, search for new plugins, and as you can see in the screen shot here, I just searched using the word 404, and this one here came up first, which is just simply called 404 to 301. The reason it's called that, a 404 is an error message, page not found error message, and a 301 is what's called a permanent redirect. So in this case, if you install this, and as I say, 100,000 plus people are using this, and it's got what, a 4.5 recommendation. It was all updated recently. By using this plugin, as I say, it'll automatically redirect from the 404 error message to a page of your choice, be it the home page or a customized 404 error message page. There is another very popular one. It's just simply called Redirection, and again, it's got similarly good reviews, but in this case, over 1 million people use it. As you can see in this case, we've got the 404 to 301 plugin, and I'm just looking at some of the details here. So all of these indicators here are good. It's got very good reviews. There's always somebody who will give it a low review. I swear, if you give away free money in the streets, somebody will complain about littering the streets or something. So there's always some people that complain. But as you can see, it's got very, very good ratings. So as it says down there, it'll redirect the 404 error message to any page that you set using a 301 permanent redirect. And this is the method that Google actually recommends for redirection. If you're not using WordPress, then there's probably other ways of implementing this, but this is yet another reason why you should just use WordPress. Everything is so much easier because you've got all of these plugins to do the complicated stuff for you. Because you might think, well, what actually is a 404 or a 301? Who cares? You just simply set up this plugin, you install it in less than a minute or so. That's it, done, sorted. So, as I say, if you're not using WordPress, think about it. It makes life so much easier for yourself.